This wooden drawer set is from Amazon, and I have put it just on the top of my dresser right by my mirror, and I love this little drawer set. I feel like it's the perfect size for the top of the dresser. Just fit a bunch of little things like hair ties, lipsticks. I have some random gift cards in here, glasses cleaner, just like the little things that I don't really want loose in a bigger dresser drawer, but that I use on the daily or at least a couple times a week. So I really like this wooden drawer set. I've had it actually for the past 4 years, and I've moved with it, had it in a ton of different houses, and it's held up really well. Still really clean, doesn't look dingy at all, I feel like. And so yeah, I would highly recommend it. It's really great quality and just the perfect size and color.